Tick, tick, tock. Tick, tock. Tick, tick, tock. Tick, tock. Tick, tick, tock. Time up on the clock, steady time and steady grinding. Andelani Ikwueme, struggle, muscle, hustle. Born into the struggle with the muscle hustle bubble. Some say they born to hustle will put your blood on the scale and weigh your DNA plus clientele with the mail. Let's see how you run your sack and you flip it then run it back. But you trip over and stumble cause game in this game you lack. No parameters, amateurs take a backseat to the back. While me and the green machine exhaust this whole sack. Blow out in the lanes, retooled and tow her back. Souped up with a zipped up metamorphosis in the back. Flipped in time, my time in the timeline. Music and money, just listening, you hear the sign. Music and money, just listening, you hear the sign. Music and money, didn't listen, you missed the sign.
Come here.
Well, it being that, you know, me and him, we did a lot of business together, right? So one time he brought me here before, so that's why I came here.
How much in the bag?
200 long.
200. Why didn't you keep it?
Damn. Nah, I ain't like that, man. I mean, oh.
Time on the clock, trying to get that money. It ain't funny, slummy and bummy. Time on the clock, trying to get that money. It ain't funny, slummy and bummy. Time on the clock, trying to get that money. It ain't funny, slummy and bummy. Time on the clock, trying to get that money. It ain't funny, slummy and bummy. Time on the clock, trying to get that money. It ain't funny, slummy and bummy. Time on the clock, trying to get that money. It ain't funny, slummy and bummy. Time on the clock, trying to get that money. It ain't funny, slummy and bummy. Time on the clock, trying to get that money. It ain't funny, slummy and bummy. Andelani Ikwueme trying to get that money. It ain't funny, slummy and bummy. Up on the block, holes in my socks, lacking the knots. Muddy path to get paid, living a life of rainy days in the maze with the maze. Just trying to get paid, just trying to get by. We smoke on idle time for the mind. Drop the bubble, pop bubble hot, cause this timeline is mine. Blow kush, reverse time, then decipher my lines. Can't regurgitate, my verbs take a miraculous form. You could die from inhalation of the shit you've been worn, or asphyxiated from a fix of this mix with your wrist.
That's his game. So let me get this straight. You just gonna give me all this stuff? Why? I mean, it's not my birthday.
You know what I'm saying? I sold a lot for him. You know what I mean? And maybe we go on.
Oh. Can you handle 10 keys all by yourself?
Yeah.
Good, good.